You may have heard that only a man or woman who works hard day and night could become successful. But it's not actually true. I would say that the person who works strategically by following proper steps, only that guy could become rich in life. Well, in this financial video, we will be telling you the 9 steps that will make you rich from nothing, and that too very quickly. Watch the video till the end if you want to achieve something in life. Now let's start. 1. Keep learning and increasing your mindset. Before you do anything else, arm yourself with knowledge. Put down the Hollywood movies and read up on the lives of people who become millionaires or billionaires all on their own. Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, or Richard Branson would be an excellent starting point. Got through them in a flash? Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Think and Grow Rich are great places to start when you want to learn about money. In this digital era, learning new things doesn't cost a dime. Never stop learning. Use the internet to your advantage by watching videos, reading books, and listening to podcasts on any topic you're interested in. The thoughts that begin to simmer as you begin to feed your brain will astound you. 2. Maintain a wealth vision. If you don't sit down and make a plan for how you're going to achieve your objectives, you're more likely to end up aimlessly wandering about. So, set some goals and figure out a strategy to attain them. Get down to the nitty-gritty of your millionaire aspirations and figure out what will drive you to achieve them. Think about the consequences of not succeeding in reaching your objectives. This ominous future will motivate you to pursue your dreams. You may get more out of your money and the time and energy you put into building it if you have a clear goal in mind. If you want to know more amazing tricks to get rich, then do press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Effort hard and more. If you want to amass a fortune worth $1 million, you must raise your income. Finding services you can provide without paying for overhead is the easiest way to accomplish this on a tight budget. You might start a consulting or freelance writing company, babysit people's children or pets, or just sell anything you can to make ends meet. Almost everything can be sold online these days, from photos taken with an iPhone to the same clothing you're wearing. Thinking like an entrepreneur will open your mind to a flood of potential ways to make money. 4. Put aside a portion of your earnings for the purpose of saving. As soon as you start earning a respectable salary, you should allocate a part of your money to savings rather than spending it immediately. In the event that your revenue is low, it is important that you carry out this action. If you have a savings account, you may rest certain that you will have cash accessible in the event that you incur an unforeseen expenditure. Moreover, it guarantees that you will be ready to capture possibilities for investment whenever they present themselves to you. You will be able to get closer to your objective of being a self-made billionaire if you are able to save even a little amount of money every week. 5. Take on a mindset of plenty. In the event that you are interested in bringing more money into your life, adopting an abundance attitude is a cost-free and efficient method to accomplish this goal. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. When you finally do open them, make a pact with yourself that you will take stock of your blessings, be grateful for what you already possess, and abstain from harshly criticizing yourself based on the acts of other people. From this point on, make a commitment to yourself that you will be able to identify and deflect any negative thoughts that come into your brain about your current financial circumstances. Your day-to-day self-talk should therefore be centered on positive self-affirmations that will assist you in increasing your level of improvement. 6. Choose your time wisely. Time is money, and wasted time means wasted money is a proverb that has been around for a while. If you are able to master the art of time management, you have the potential to become a millionaire without ever having to risk a single penny. One thing that differentiates us from one another is the way in which we choose to use the time that we have. In order to educate yourself, you should listen to an audiobook while you are getting ready for work, riding your bike to work, or working out. Put an end to squandering time by watching Netflix and try to use some of that time on developing ideas for your company. Your socializing should be limited. This is the last suggestion, and it is also the most challenging one. There is a possibility that you may be more productive if you spent some of the time you spend drinking coffee with friends or going out for coffee every week working toward achieving your objectives. 7. Invest the money you have in hand. When it comes to amassing money, investment, and more specifically intelligent investing, is the key. It is possible that the money you currently own will be more productive for you if you invest it. You may be able to increase your money more quickly via investments than through other techniques. Whether it be in the form of money or real estate, you should get started on acquiring some cash for investment that you can use. If you have the ability to own a piece of land, you may be able to make a profit by offering online marketplaces for homes, short-term vacation rentals, and activities associated with tourism. You can invest in stocks, bonds, fixed deposits, mutual funds, and many other asset classes. It's crucial to diversify your investment portfolio. 8. Take risks whenever you have the opportunity to do so. I'm willing to wager that you are unaware of the fact that there are some very bright people in Silicon Valley who proudly wear t-shirts that showcase the failures of their companies. It is necessary to be prepared to take chances in order to create. Nevertheless, failure is not necessarily a negative thing, and it often teaches entrepreneurs the most essential things along the road. The future goals of a firm are fashioned via the experiences of failures, and these encounters may pave the road for the organization to expand. What you put in is what you see come out. If you take a risk, you will gain experience. If it is successful, you will have the opportunity to join the ranks of those who have made several millions of dollars. That's it. 9. Speak to a financial advisor. If you are confused about your wealth management, then you may visit a financial advisor. It's not a matter of shame to visit an advisor, but many people think so. You may think that you are wasting money on an advisor by posting him the fees and charges, but actually you are not. You may earn and save the double money you are giving to the advisor. Big financial errors could be solved via hiring a financial advisor. An advisor may guide you with your budget, business ideas, future plans, and other tasks. You may ask for help from us by commenting below. We will try to help you out. That's all for today. In this video, we described all the tips and tricks and the steps to get rich quickly. The 8th step was very important. Also, investing is crucial. You must press the subscribe button if you want to know more amazing tricks to get rich quickly. These tips are suggested by multi-millionaires like Sir Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett, and many others. They have suggested many times that you should avoid the bad money habits and adopt the better money habits if you really want to become a millionaire. Press the like button if you loved watching this video. This small action helps us to do more research and present amazing videos to you. Share this video with all of your friends and family members for them to learn. We made this video specially for you so that you could clear yourself that what you need to do in 2024 to get rich. If you are left with any queries or suggestions, just feel free to add a comment below. Thank you all for watching this video till here.